Hello, my name is Jamil Evans, and on behalf of the Office of Justice Programs, Territories Financial Support Center, I want to welcome you to our video presentation on establishing adequate financial management systems. In this video, you will learn the components of an adequate accounting system, the importance of developing effective internal controls on program resources, and key features of an accounting system that accurately captures all relevant award-specific costs and activities. So why is this topic important? All grant recipients are responsible for proper stewardship over federal funds and must ensure that federal resources are used efficiently to achieve the desired goals. Establishing a financial management system ensures recipients are able to accurately account for the funds awarded to them. An organization's financial management system is a critical requirement and may be reviewed as part of the grant application process or at any time after receiving an award. First, let's highlight the key components that make up an adequate financial management system. To be an adequate financial management system, it must be able to do the following. First, it must maintain a detailed and auditable accounting records. Second, it must track funding from each award separately from other awards and other funding sources. And third, it must accurately account for funds awarded. This includes documenting the following information: federal funds awarded, federal funds drawn down, matching funds if applicable, program income if applicable, subawards including award amount, purpose, award conditions, and current status, procurement contracts expensed against the award, and lastly, expenditures. By establishing and maintaining a financial system that supports these functions, you will be able to ensure compliance with the requirements of the award terms and conditions, ensure optimal use of federal funds, and demonstrate strong financial and grants management capacity through documentation and reporting. Now I want to discuss the need for all award recipients to set up strong and reliable management controls. A good financial management system must contain strong internal controls that allow for efficient operations and reliable financial reporting and comply with applicable laws and regulations. The system must allow for effective control and accountability for both prime and subrecipients, including all award and subaward cash, real and personal property, and other assets. Recipients and subrecipients must adequately safeguard all such property and ensure that it is used solely for authorized purposes. In addition, a good system will include adequate segregation of duties. Proper segregation should ensure that no individual can either conceal or misdirect funds within their agency. Recipients must maintain an adequate system of accounting and internal controls and ensure that their subrecipients do the same. I want to spend a few moments highlighting three key features of an adequate accounting system. First, an adequate accounting system allows recipients to maintain documentation to support all receipts and expenditures and obligations of federal funds. This includes tracking source documentation substantiating fund activity, such as canceled checks, paid bills, payroll, time and attendance records, and procurement contracts and subaward documents. Second, an adequate accounting system collects and reports financial data for planning, controlling, measuring, and evaluating direct and indirect costs. The system will also help you follow applicable cost principles, agency program regulations, and the terms of the award and subrecipient agreements in determining the reasonableness, allowability, and allocability of costs. And then third, an adequate accounting system is used to generate reports required by award and federal regulations. The system must support all of the following records and reports: financial reporting that is accurate, current, complete, and compliant with all financial reporting requirements of the award and subaward. Recipients must establish reasonable procedures to ensure the recipient of reports on subrecipients' cash balances and cash disbursements in sufficient time and enable them to prepare complete and accurate cash transaction reports to the awarding agency. Accounting systems must be able to account for award funds separately. By maintaining documentation to support all recipients and expenditures and obligations of federal funds separately for each award, you will be able to ensure there is no commingling of funds. I hope you found this video helpful as you establish and maintain an adequate financial management system. Please let us know if we can be of any support or assistance in this important area of managing your grant award. To learn more about the OJP Territories Financial Support Center, please visit our website at ojp.gov/TFSC or contact us at ojptfsc@usdoj.gov for additional resources or assistance. If you would like to stay up to date on our video, click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.